Welcome back to Math Time with Marine Sawan. I hope so. Everyone is safe and good. Today we are going to do SSC Maths 2. So the third chapter circle ka practice set number 3.1 ka second question. Okay, so let us start. In front of you, you all can see the second question. So I'll just read out the question. So here you all can see in figure, that means this figure, O is the center of the circle. तो ये circle है with the center O. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment touching circle at point M and N. So from point R there are two tangents which are touching the circles at point M and N. If OR is 10 centimeter, now where is our OR? This is our OR. This is 10 centimeter. Okay. Radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. So we are talking about a radius. So let us draw join OM and ON. Okay, so both the radius is of 5 centimeter. Further question is, what is the length of each tangent segment? Now what is the tangent segment? So over here you all can see tangent segments कौन से है? दो है, एक है RM और दूसरा है RN. So we have to find both this tangent segment RM and RN. What is the measure of angle MRO? MRO मतलब ये वाला एंगल, ठीक है. एंड what is the measure of angle MRN? ये पूरा एंगल MRN, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड what is the length of each tangent segment, that is RM and RN. So here, in order to find RM and RN, you all can see this is a tangent RM and this is a tangent RN, and the radius is always the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. मतलब ये एंगल राइट एंगल हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं. तो हम लोग यहाँ कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारा, क्योंकि हमको दोनों टेंजेंट्स फाइंड करने हैं, राइट. सो वी विल राइट दैट RM and RN are tangents touching the circle at point M and N. Angle RMO is equal to angle RNO is 90 डिग्री. ओके, हम लोगों ने यहाँ शो किया कि ये दोनों 90 डिग्री है. सो यहाँ क्यों 90 डिग्री है? वी ऑल नो by tangent theorem it will be 90 degree. Then we have to consider any right angle triangle in this. So in triangle RMO, angle RMO is 90 degree. Earlier we have shown. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, okay, hypotenuse आप लोगों को मालूम है what is hypotenuse. OR is the hypotenuse. So here we are going to write hypotenuse square, मतलब OR square is equal to RM square plus MO square. Just substitute the values from the figure. If you try to substitute, OR is given as 10 का square, RM is, we have to find RM, and MO is, you all know, it is 5 square. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 100 is equal to RM square plus 5 5 is 25. Just take this 25 on the other side. So it will be RM square is equal to 100 minus 25, because we have shifted this 25 on the other side, so it will become subtraction. So RM is equal to 100 minus 25 will be 75. Now taking square root on both the sides, so RM is equal to under root of 75. 75 का स्क्वायर रूट हमारा ओल्ड मेथड, वही सबसे बेस्ट मेथड होता है. 75 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालो. 5 1 5, 6 7, 5 5 25, राइट. देन 5 3 15, 3 1 3. द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट में जोड़ी बना के एक नंबर बाहर निकला. सो हियर जोड़ी बना के ये 5 बाहर निकला. सो द आंसर इज 5 root 2. So here RM is equal to 5 root 3 सेंटीमीटर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, एक RM मिल गया. We have to find Rn also, and even Rn is the tangent, right? So here we are going to write Rm is equal to Rn is equal to 5 root 3. What is the reason for this? The reason for this is tangent segment theorem. ठीक है, so this is our first answer. Second part, let us start with the second part. What is the measure of angle RMO? Now in the figure, if we try to see where is our angle MRO, that means we have to find angle this, right? अभी देखना, कल भी हम लोगों ने किया था, previous video we have seen whenever we have to find any angle, we have only two cases with us. One is in Pythagoras theorem we have seen theorem of 30 60 90 and theorem of 45 90. तो for that, in order to find this angle, हमको क्या चाहिए? one is a hypotenuse and the one side is opposite to the angle. So in front of this angle you all can see OM, and the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle is OR, है ना? तो एक hypotenuse और एक side opposite to the angle. So here, while solving the second part, you all can see that OM is 5 centimeter and one is the hypotenuse, that is in this figure OR is the hypotenuse which is 10 centimeter. So just take the ratio of this. So OM upon OR is equal to 5 upon 10, which is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. ये hypotenuse को इसके पास लेके आओ तो ये कैसा हो जाएगा? हाफ इंटू OR. हाफ किसका फॉर्मूला है? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर when we have did Pythagoras theorem, तो वहाँ हम लोग कन्वर्स यूज़ किए थे, राइट? सो बाय उस तभी theorem of 30 60 90 में कन्वर्स है. सो बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ 30 60 90 डिग्री ट्राइंगल, ओके, एंगल MRO विल बी, ये हाफ इंटू हाइपोटेन्यूज किसका फॉर्मूला है? 30 का, राइट? So angle MRO will be 30 degree. Okay. Similarly, see the third question. This is our second part, children. The third question is what is the measure of angle MRN? Now we have to find angle MRN. MRN पूरा हो गया ये. We need to find this angle also, right, children? So this angle will be also similarly. This angle will be also 30 डिग्री, है ना? तो हम लोग यहाँ ही लिखेंगे similarly angle NRO is 30 degree. Here only first we will show and then further the third part will be done. See the third part, how we have to move on. The third part is we have to find angle MRN, and in order to find angle MRN is divided into two small angles MRO and NRO, right? तो यहाँ हम लोग वही करेंगे, एंगल MRO प्लस एंगल NRO. एंगल MRO is 30 degree, एंगल NRO is also 30 degree, so total it will be 60 degree. ठीक है? I hope so everybody is clear with this sum. This is a very easy sum. Moving to the third sum, children. Here let us read out the question. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of a circle. So here they have said that from point R there are two tangents which are touching the circle at point M and N. So these are the tangent segment. So these two segments will be equal, okay, congruent, of a circle with a center O. What we need to prove? We need to prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. So whenever this type of question comes in your exam, we have to write the given part as well as to prove part. So first let us write the given part. What is given? Our given is segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of a circle. ओके, मतलब ये अगर दिया हुआ, इसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? इसका मीनिंग हो जाएगा कि RM और RN तुम्हारा गिवन है, दे आर इक्वल, राइट? and you all can see if the O is the center of the circle. From center O, OM and ON, they are the radius of the circle, right? And the tangent and radius, they are always perpendicular to each other. ये सब चीज़ें हमको दिख रही है, we can see this, right? And these are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular. Okay, so what we want to prove, we want to prove that, let us write to prove. क्या करना हमको? To prove, we need to prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN. bisect का मीनिंग सबको मालूम है. what is the meaning of bisect? हाफ करना है ना. OR bisect. So this is our OR. If you see children, this is our OR. This is bisecting angle MRN and angle MON children. तो bisect हुआ मतलब क्या हुआ? We need to show कि ये एंगल और ये एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. सिमिलरली ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. अगर ये शो करते हो कि these two angles are congruent to each other, then only we can say that segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. So let us start. How to start with this? चलो प्रूव करते हैं. So in order to prove that, we need that these two triangles are congruent. Now these two triangles can be congruent by hypotenuse side test, और these two triangles can be congruent by SAS test. तो अभी हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मार्किंग कर चुके हैं. So we will prove these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. I hope so everybody must have understood. These two are the tangent segment, these two are the tangent theorem, perpendicular 90 degree, and these two are the radius of the circle. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. So ये ट्राइंगल का नाम क्या होगा? इस ट्राइंगल का नाम होगा ट्राइंगल OMR, और ये वाले ट्राइंगल का नाम होगा ट्राइंगल ONR. सो हम लोग स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे? इन ट्राइंगल OMR एंड ट्राइंगल ONR, फर्स्ट तो हमको सेगमेंट मिला था. सो सेगमेंट RM इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सेगमेंट RM. Yes, this is given to us, right? Second, angle मिला था. Angle OMR is congruent to angle ONR. The reason for this is tangent theorem. And the last is the radius of the circle. So segment OM is congruent to segment ON. So this is radii, not radius, radii of same circle. Okay, therefore the two triangles OMR is congruent by congruent to triangle ONR by SAS test. Now once you prove the two triangles are congruent by SAS test, हम लोग directly लिख सकते हैं that these two angles are congruent to each other. ये वाले एंगल्स है ना, तो ये वाले एंगल का नाम क्या? एंगल MOR इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल NOR. ठीक है, और ये दूसरा वाला एंगल MRO इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल NRO. द रीजन फॉर बोथ दिस इज CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. I hope so. This proof is also understood by you all. Moving to the fourth question children, the last question of this practice set number 3.1. The question is as, what is the distance between two parallel tangent of a circle? In a circle there are two parallel tangents having the radius 4.5 centimeter, and you have to justify your answer. So let us start. See here children, in a circle you have two parallel tangents. ठीक है, तो पहले हम लोग एक सर्कल बनाएंगे जिसके दो parallel tangents होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now children, you all can see here I have drawn a circle with the two tangents which are parallel to each other and having the radius 4.5 centimeter each. Now you all can understand that whenever tangents are parallel to each other, their end points will, the end points will touch the diameter of the circle. मतलब tangents which are parallel to each other pass through the end points of the diameter. अगर हम लोग दो parallel tangents बनाएंगे तो उनके जो diameter के जो end point है वो tangents को touch करेंगे. Okay, so here how our solution will start. This figure is very important. So here we will start with tangents which are parallel to each other pass through the end points of diameter. यही होगा क्या नहीं? तो ए बी तो हमारा डायामीटर है, और डायामीटर कैसे बनेगा? जब दो रेडियस को हम लोग यू नो व्हेन वी गेट टू व्हेन देर आर टू रेडियस, सो 2 इंटू रेडियस, राइट? सो 2 इंटू 4.5, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 9 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. आई होप सो यस एवरीबडी हैज़ अंडरस्टूड. तो ए बी हमारा 9 है. So the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle is 9 centimeter. See here when we draw the figure, एक given part लिख देना इधर. Given part में क्या होगा? Line L is parallel to line M and these are tangents of the circle, right? So बस ये हो जाएगा. Therefore हमारा final answer होगा the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle is 9 cm. I hope so everybody has understood this sum, the fourth sum also. So hit the like button, share, maximum share करो videos को, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.